Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? Today we're gonna go over how to draw the Rancor. It's gonna be simple, easy, completely for beginners. So let's get started, okay? Rancor from Star Wars, from Boba Fett, Book of Boba Fett, all this stuff. So let's get going. I'm gonna go over here, draw a line over here for the eye, like so. It's gonna be basically the eye caved in the crevice there underneath the eye. Far side eye, I'm going to draw down here, out, up. Down over here, down over here. Line over here. Underneath right here, the bag under the eye. And I guess you could draw the far side eye over here, really small. Right on. Side of the face. And I'm going to pull down. Down. Down over here. Down over here. So we're going to draw like spikes here for the mouth. But they're really separated out. They're not really like together or anything. Curve, curve, curve. And I'm going to draw some lines connecting them right between them for the mouth. Pulling back just a bit here. Maybe one more over here for the tooth. Line over here, up. For the side of the cheek. Teeth on the bottom here. What we're going to do is we're going to pull little teeth on the bottom. Down here. For underneath the lower jaw. Lower jaw is pretty big, honestly. It's kind of in these segments. Up over here on the side of the jaw. Let's go to the top of the head now. Pulling up here, pretty low head. Over here. Over here. Curve, curve. Line over here. Line over here, line over here for the side of the neck there. And then this is gonna come down here. Pull out a little bit. Shoulder over here. Shoulder. Pull way down. He's got these really long arms. But before I do that, I'm gonna go over here around the chest area. Line over here for the rest of the bottom of the shoulder. Down over here. Forearm going down. Into the finger. Find the other finger. Edge over here of the hand. Side over here. Going all the way up to the elbow, pretty much. Really long arms. Really, really long arms. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like learning how to draw Star Wars or anything like that. Absolutely hit that subscribe button and click the bell notification. Make this the video you subscribe on. If the stuff I do here is worth your time, please consider subscribing. I'm gonna draw the inner part of the other finger. Same thing over here. And he's got the thumb out over here, so I might as well draw that. Going over here to the back, pulling into the waist down, pulling back. Go over here to the kind of front of the waist here. Curving down, And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to find the leg first before I find the front arm. The leg is short in comparison to his arm. Curve, curve. Got the leg there. Downward here. And he's got these stumpy, like two nails for feet there. Kind of right behind the hand here. Over here. Down. Gonna go to the far end over here. Down over here. For the long arm right there as well. Down over here. It's gonna curl into one finger. Finding from the upper arm here to the elbow. From the elbow going into the wrist. Finger over here. The thumb, I mean. One finger over here, and then we'll do the other finger on the other side. Kind of like so. And you can draw his foot back here. That's, you know, you're just gonna see like the shape of it really, of his foot. So really now what you have to do is you have to kind of give it like some wrinkles, because he's just made up of wrinkly, leathery skin. So I'm gonna draw thinner lines right there, along there, thin lines here. This texture is gonna be, you know, around him. He's got leathery skin. I don't think he has scales, to be honest. I've never really, I mean, I look at it, it looks more like loose, baggy skin. I don't know if he has that. Fill it out over here, the inside of the mouth here, because it's, you know, it's the inside of the mouth. Line over here, some wrinkles, some thinner lines right here. See, some crackly, thinner lines. The thinner, when I say thinner lines, I mean thinner lines, because thinner lines will be seen as detail here on the neck, right? They kind of wrap around the neck a little bit. You're drawing these thinner lines so that, you know, it's kind of wrapping around the form, right? It's wrapping around the waist. That's kind of how I think of the thinner lines. Around the finger here. And they're just kind of random, honestly. And you can put as many as you want or as little as you want, but I think that's really what completes it, is drawing these thinner detail lines so that it gives it the feeling that is a textured monster, right? You can keep going on them for a while, by the way. Like, they can be a lot of these textured lines. Don't do too many, but do as many as you think you need. But that is the Rancor. The Rancor is really, really cool, by the way, at the end of Book of Boba Fett. So let me know if you saw that, because that's really what made me draw it, was that was awesome. But yeah, thank you so much. I'll talk to you next time. Don't forget to say hi to me, by the way. If you can hear my voice right now, say hi to me in the comments, and I will say hi back. I will reply to every single comment, all right? Talk to you later, all right?
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff, about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My iDrawing program is an hour, as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.